Then I want to move over to the matter of Mr. Vusimusi Kat Motlala. 8 weeks ago, we started questioning matters of how Mr. Motlala continuously gets accreditation from the Private Security Regulatory Authority despite his past transgressions. Now, you'd remember a few months ago, SARS conducted a raid at Mkhize, Miss Mkhize's home, the owner of a well-known soccer club. During that raid, a whole cache of firearms were seized. All of those firearms were registered to a security company belonging to none other than Mr. Kat Motlala. Now, after questioning CIRA about how on earth they continued to allow accreditation, the answer was that they couldn't find a transgression. Now, if it were you or I that kept firearms illegally at a property where they're not registered to be kept and that's not fit and proper for keeping those firearms, we would not only face criminal procedures, but we would obviously have our firearms seized. Well, all of the firearms were returned to the said security company, and up until now, despite the parliamentary question submitted 2 months ago, again, unfortunately, no answer.